Hi, my name is Clint Medeiros. This is my data protocol that I look forward to using at Pueblo West High School. I just kind of outlined the important parts here in this brochure for teachers to make it easier, help them have a little understanding. I also included an area in which teachers can write some notes, answer these questions as we go through it, and then I have a sheet at the bottom that I'll show you in which we can go a little bit deeper in collecting our data. First thing is, step one is ask the question. What are the issues that we're having? What are we trying to solve? What students are affected by this issue? And what does the data say? We just want to know what the issue is and how we're going to go about looking at that issue. Step two, digging deeper, which groups of students are affected, and we're going to break down the data a little bit, look at it in groups. What does the data tell us? Does it affect certain students, not others? Where should we focus our attention? Should we focus it on these groups of students? Is it an issue within the whole school? And we need to organize the data so that it's easy to read, simple to use, some of the ways that we've learned in this class. Step three, forming ideas. What's the cause? What's causing the issue? What other data sources can we look at? Can we look at state testing? Whatever the issue may be, what other data sources can we look at? And collaboration amongst the staff and administration. Moving to step four is the plan. How are we going to collaborate on the plan? What are the outcomes that we'd like to develop? Implementation process. How are we going to get the plan implemented? How are we going to get information to the relevant stakeholders? We also need to gather data results, share data with the staff and the stakeholders at this point. And then the last step, correct and repeat. What changes need to be made based on results? Have we seen successes? And fill in the gaps. Who are we missing? Who's slipping through? How can we make those changes? The last part of this, I just created a little chart more for me, and I could share this with staff members. It's just area to write these things. What are we looking for and why? Ideas, solutions, and collaboration. And what's the plan? And then corrections, what needs fixed. Through this process, we can look at data much deeper and solve many of the problems that we may have. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.